Welcome. If you've been using Instagram on your PC and want to make sure your downloads happen automatically, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow automatic downloads permission on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots. These are your options menu. Click on the 3 dots to open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled App Info. This will take you directly into the app settings page, where you can manage all permissions and preferences for Instagram on your device. Once you're in the App Info section, look for the Settings option and click on it to enter the main settings menu. Inside the settings, scroll down until you see More Settings and Permissions. This is where you'll find all the advanced options for your Instagram app. Click on More Settings and Permissions to continue. Now, you'll see a list of different permissions you can manage. Look for the option labeled Automatic Downloads. Next to it, you'll find a toggle or a drop-down menu. Simply choose Allow to enable automatic downloads for Instagram on your PC. That's it. You've now successfully allowed automatic downloads permission on the Instagram app. This means any media, such as photos or videos that you want to save, will download automatically, making your experience smoother and hassle-free. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these same steps and adjust the permission as needed. Keeping your app updated and permissions managed ensures you get the best out of Instagram, right on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.